But I saw Carrie Fitch at Roosevelt today, and as she should have. And he's like, it was terrible. It was an awful night. I had my clients.
Hi everyone, this is Kevin. I just wanted to share this video. We took a ride on the Roosevelt Island Tram. And I had to cut the audio on the camera off because, I don't know, there was just a lot of noise and people talking, so I just didn't want to eavesdrop on their conversations. We're looking out the window of the tram on this video facing south, and you could see the 59th Street Bridge. I think it's been called the Queensboro Bridge, and I think the latest it's called the Ed Koch Bridge. I want to thank everybody for supporting the channel. I know we've been trying to get to 20 subscribers. We've given ourselves to actually sometime in April. But we're exceeded those goals. I thank you very much. We're up to 24 this morning, March 19th, 2024. So we're starting to get going. If you could take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like if you like it. And then we're going to try to have some more videos of things we're doing around Long Island and in the area.
you have the word thrown out as the F word, and then I have to like mute the audio when I edit. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Alright, so that's where we just came from. We're just gonna go around and just go back again because it's crowded over here. Alright.
But I want to be sitting down.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna we have to come back up and pay again to go back. Alright, so we're in Manhattan now, and we're just going to go back in and pay, and we're going to go back over to Roosevelt Island. So we'll see you back on the tram.